Good evening everyone and welcome back to our channel. I am Twinkle Quatra from IME Law College and currently a legal intern at Lexis and Company, and the topic that I am going to discuss today is how to draft an application under section 156 subsection 3 of CRPC. So in my earlier videos of drafting I told you about how to draft an police complaint, and we draft a police complaint or we write an application for a police complaint only when police is not writing or not registering our FIR, right? But we can go to their senior post as well, like SP, DSP. But if they say also no to writing an FIR, then we can directly approach the court. So for this, for approaching the court only, there is a section under CRPC, that is 156 subsection 3, under which we can draft an application. And now I will tell you the format of drafting an application. So on the top we will write in the court of chief metropolitan magistrate, and under that we will write the state, for example Delhi, and under that we will write case number dash of 2021, and in that fill in the blank we can write the case number. After we will be registered, we will be given the case number. So below that we will write in the matter of, and then complainant versus accused. For example, my complainant name that I have taken in a previous video was Ravinder Pawar Sharma, and the accused was Babita Sethi and others. So we will write their name, and then complainant and accused in front of their name, and then police station, whatever is the police station. So then we will write an index. So index is really very important, and index will have 4 columns: serial number, particulars, pages, and court fees. So in serial number, obviously we will write numbers from 1 to whatever it will end, wherever. And in particulars we will first write memo of the parties, and second there will be court fee, and thirdly there will be application under section 156 subsection 3 CRPC 1973 along with affidavit. And then if you want to go with criminal complaint as well, then you can attach the complainant criminal complaint along with this application only. So that index will be then criminal complaint under section 200 of CRPC 1973 along with affidavit, and then a copy of list of documents along with documents, and lastly there will be wakalatnama. And below the index there will be, on the right side there will be complainant, on the left side we will write New Delhi and date, and then we will write through, and then the stamp of the advocate. So on the next page again, in the court of chief metropolitan, and then all the details, and then we will start with memo of parties. And in memo of the parties, both complainant and accused address, name, and mobile number will become. And when the memo of the party will end, then on the left side we will write place, for example New Delhi, and then date, and on the right side complainant, we will take the signature of the complainant, and again through, and the stamp of the advocate. And then there will be court fee, and the stamp of the court fee will be done after. And then we will write in the matter of, and again the name, number, and address of accused and complainant. And after that we will start writing our application, and then we will tell that we are writing this under section 156 subsection 3, and we will write what are the allegations that we are putting and under what section it comes, and all the things that we have done in the police complaint. We will do this in this also, and take care that you write all the section well, and you can copy the section from Bare Act also, that because for judge and for you it will become easy to understand. And the ending of this complaint is really very important. I will go to ending, because this points that we will write is easy. I have told you in that police complaint also. At the end point we will write that this honorable court has got authority to adjudicate upon the matter and direct the SHO, then the address of whatever the police station has, to register an FIR against the accused for them having committed serious criminal offence under, we will tell the section, and investigate the case, and also direct the police to obtain all the relevant evidence and the document, and check and promissory notes from the accused person which is lying in their illegally custody. This is all that is in case. And then the prayer is important. In view of the submission, made herein above in the view of the seriousness of the offence committed, the complaint most respectively prays that the honorable court may be. Then whatever your prayers are, you will write in that in points, and then again the signature of the complainant and the stamp of the advocate and signature of the advocate, and then you will attach the affidavit and the criminal complaint under section 200 of CRPC if you want, and then the documents, the copy of the documents, and at the last you will attach the wakalatnama. That's it for this video. And if you want to know the criminal complaint under section 200, this is really this is also very easy. If you want to know, I will tell you. Please comment me down, and thank you for this video. Keep liking, keep sharing, and subscribe to our channel.